gyals and gents, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with a head wrap tutorial. Everything is pretty much straightforward and it's very quick and easy to achieve. Okay you guys, so we're gonna start off by folding the headscarf in half. I basically just folded it in half. I didn't do it in no particular or special way. Now I'm going to gather up all of my hair and twist it to the very side, or put it to the side, and basically put it in one. Try to be sure that there's no leave out or no locks dropping down, because it will show in the headscarf. It doesn't have to be perfect, but do the best you can getting it up to the side. After you've got it up, be sure to pull your hair once it's in the rubber band. Pull the middle especially, so you can have some poking out of the scarf. this is the end of the video. I created 3 quick styles for you guys. It's nice and cute. You can wear it for any occasion. You can wear it to work, you can wear it at home, you can wear it for brunch, you can wear it for dinner, you can wear it even if you want to take some pictures for IG. You can wear it. I'll also leave the link for the scarf down below in the description so you can check it out. It's very stretchy, it's very affordable. Thank you, Dana, for sending me this package. It's awesome. If you enjoyed these styles, tell me which one is your best style, and also before I leave, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright guys.